Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and hello to any new viewers visiting today. Well, I'm really excited to unbox and review this copy of the JBL Pulse 4 Bluetooth speaker. I ordered this copy from China and I paid around $22 for it, but shipping fee was not included, and it took about 2 weeks before it finally arrived to my place. There are a lot of JBL copies out there and some of them are pretty good, so I'm curious if this one will be as good as the others. It does have information about the Pulse 4 on the box, but it's not accurate, especially the part about the speaker having 12 hours of playtime. Straight out of the box, we have a bright orange micro USB cable to charge the speaker, and just in case you're wondering, the real Pulse 4 uses a USB-C cable. The manual that came in the box is in English and Chinese. Feel free to pause the video if you want to take a look at the manual. Alright, moving on to the actual unit. There are other colors to pick from, but I like black better, so here it is. I'm kind of disappointed right now because in the real Pulse 4, the lights goes all the way around the speaker, but for this copy, it's just halfway, so it's not 360 like it said in the manual. On the top, you have 3 control buttons: minus, play or pause, and plus. Minus and plus can control the volume or change the song. You either hold down if you want to change the volume or just short press to change the song. So this is the part where the speaker is supposed to be, but instead they put a sticker that doesn't even stick properly. We have 2 more buttons, one for changing the mode and the other for changing the light effects. Here's another difference. The real one does not have any of these, but the copy you have a micro USB port, TF card slot, and a USB port. On the bottom is where the passive radiator is supposed to be, but it's just nothing but hard plastic with some speaker specifications. The back is just covered with some cheap fabric, and that is where the speaker drivers are also located. So you have a choice to make to either enjoy the LED lights or face the speakers towards you. To me, it's just a really bad design. The body just feels cheap all around, and the front is not glass, it's just some sort of clear plastic, and I'm pretty sure it will break if you accidentally drop it. So this is what it looks like when the speaker is turned on. Absolutely amazing for a copy. And if I counted correctly, you can change the light effects 14 times. But my favorite one out of all of them is when the LED lights sync with the music. So the playtime for the speaker will totally depend on the volume you use it at and the type of music you listen to. During my testing, it only lasted 3.5 hours, and it was only at 30% volume. And I think most of the power is going towards the LED lights, but not the sound. And there's no option of turning off the LED lights. When the speaker needs to be charged, you will hear a warning sound. So on the manual, it claims the speaker can be charged at 5 volts 1 amp, but during my testing, it only showed half an amp. And yes, I connected the charger when it was giving me the warning sound. Total charging time for the speaker during my testing was about 5 hours. A red LED will turn on when it's being charged, and it will turn off when it's fully charged. The speaker is not waterproof, so be very careful with it. Alright, the moment you all been waiting for, the sound test. For better experience, use some good earphones or headphones for this part. As you can tell by the test, the sound is not that great. No surprise there, and it gets distorted at high volume. Even though it has two speakers, it's not playing in stereo. Both speakers are playing the right and the left audio channel. In other words, it's a mono speaker. So overall, the speaker is cheap and you should not expect too much out of it, but I suggest using an equalizer app on your phone to tweak the sounds and lower the mids a little bit. The best feature of this speaker is of course the LED lights, and it's pretty cool to have around the house. This speaker has a feature that will turn itself off when you're not playing music for about 5 minutes. For $22, I can say it's not that bad if you want some sound with some light show, but if your main focus is just sound, I suggest you look elsewhere. This is not what you want. If you're looking for a cheap copy of a JBL that gives you that lava lamp effect, get this. I know the sound ain't that great, but I'm pretty sure you can modify it in some way to make it sound better. I do have mixed feelings about it because I was expecting the passive radiator to be on the bottom and the speaker driver to be on the top, just like the real one, but I can't get everything, especially at this price. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, and also please consider subscribing if you want more videos like this, and it does help me a lot. Alright, see you on the next one. Peace.